Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to work with a quick head-to-head comparison review about these two accounting system platforms to help you decide which of these accounting system would be a better choice for you to automate your business in 2025. So let's dive into it. In 2025, QuickBooks remained a leading all-in-one accounting solution for small to mid-sized businesses. It covers everything from invoicing, payrolls, and bank reconciliation to expense tracking and tax prep, making it a complete platform for managing finances. It also integrates with a wide range of tools, including payment processors and inventory system, giving business a strong financial backbone. Expensify, by contrast, is a specialized tool built for automating expense reporting and employees reimbursement. It excels at receipt scanning, customization, and categorization for approval workflows, especially for business with teams that travels or have a complex spending needs. The difference lies in the scope. So the QuickBooks is a full accounting suite, while Expensify is a powerful expense management tool. So you can even integrate Expensify into QuickBooks for enhanced automation. And here's the very conclusion about this to help you decide which of these is best for you. So you can choose QuickBooks if you need a full-featured accounting solution to manage your business end-to-end, or go with Expensify if you already have accounting software and you want to streamline employees' expense tracking and approval all in one intuitive dashboard. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit helpful. Maybe the turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.